cover up this area just nice. Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm here to teach you how to create this Coca-Cola vending machine. Alright, now it's very simple. First we're gonna go Google, alright, and we're gonna search for Coca-Cola poster. Alright, so we're gonna go hit up to images. You can pretty much search for any image that you want. You can actually even use this or this or this, but in my case I'm just gonna search for bottle. Okay, probably not bottle, maybe logo. Alright, I think this is a very good image right here. You can actually use this one right here. Okay, view image. I'm just gonna save this up. Okay, and we're gonna need another image for the front of the vending machine. Coca-Cola vending machine. Alright, so I'm just going to use this image right here, as we might want to use this panel area right here. Okay, this is the important part of the vending machine. Let me just save this right here. Alright, this seems to be a very good image right here. Drag these three images into Photoshop, and now we have these three images right here. Picture number 1, number 2, number 3. The measurements that I use for this vending machine is, well, the height of this vending machine is 6.5 inches and the width is 3 inches. Alright, so I'm just going to go with my measurements. You can actually alter the measurements along the way, and it's up to you. What first we're going to do is we're going to start a new file right here. We're going to hit the resolution up to 500, and we're just going to switch this to inches. Width 3 inches, height 6.5, and there you have it. Alright, so now we're just going to start with the sides. Just gonna pull this one, drag this one right here. There. Just remember to hold the shift key when you're adjusting this box right here, because if you don't, it's just gonna be like this. So you really need to hit the shift key to make sure it's balanced and symmetrical. Alright, so hit enter, and we have this one done right here. Now remember to save this file, just sides. Alright, okay, we're just gonna drag this file, put it to this page right here, drag it all the way up. Now it's totally entirely up to you if you want to put it this way, or this way, or this way, or this way. So for my case, I'm just going to do it this way. Alright, just going to put it one side here, hit the enter button. And next, what we are going to do now is we're going to use this panel area here for your diorama build. So we just hit this icon right here. Just gonna drag a box right here, click on this arrow, this icon right here. Just gonna drag this file over. Now we're gonna adjust this and make sure we cover up this area just nice. Alright, and not to forget, we have to cover this area as well. So we're gonna take this one right here, drag the file over, let's put it right here. Right about here. And if you worry that these two black areas are going to clash, right, now what we're going to do is FX, bevel and emboss. This one is entirely up to you. You just want to drag out the, you just want to create like a depth to it, so it's totally entirely up to you. Well, just play around with this. It's kind of subjective for me to actually explain to you how this part here works, but yeah, just start adjusting a bit, and now you have this image right here. Just gonna save this file, send it to print. After you're done with the printing, you most probably get something like this. Alright, this is what you'll probably get. So this is how it looks like on the front, and this is how it looks like on the side. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to use a foam, THP C foam, plain 5mm, 5mm foam. So now I do not practice measuring these parts out and cutting it out and then gluing it together. What I do here is actually I glue it on first, and then I cut it out to get the exact measurement. We're going to cut out the sides, and we're going to use the sides to measure the back part of the vending machine. So that way we don't have to go through all the hassle of measuring it and cutting it out and gluing it and stuff like that. Now, except for the front. Now the front, I'm not going to cut it out, I'm not going to stick it on the foam. I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to laminate it instead of... Now I'll show you why. Now what I got here is a simple, cheap, small torchlight. Alright, you can see you have a light up vending machine. I'll show you a bit later in a more darker setting, but you get the idea, right? Alright, so I guess with this thing done here, you're ready for your photo shoot. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial has been useful, and comment on the sections down below and let me know what would you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.